Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dawi Raisa Damarjati Muljana. I am from 45 International Informatic 45 International class, and today I am going to show you my big assignment. Now, my big assignment is to create a score data while an element in form of a dictionary, where the dictionary is going to hold the value of the grades of the student, which is start from CL1 to all the way to CL4. Now I'm going to create and run the request function below, such as to write an index function that returns to the index and change that value to the grades A, B, C, C, D, and E. Now all of the student which specified with the specified number or the grades. Now after that I need to create a report function that is used to display the number and score of the student, as well the number of the student and row gets A and B, which is I'm going to sort the highest score student or A, which means it's going to be A and B. After that I need to create a main program. It is going to use a display a dictionary and call the created function. Now this is the code. I'm going to explain the code. First and foremost, we need to create a file txt. This is a file txt that I created on PyCharm, the editor. You can use the notepad if you want to, but I'm going to use PyCharm because it's just make a little bit simpler. First of all, we need to create a function of load. Now this function is to read a file parameter and return it as a list, which line of the read. Now the parameter as name the file name. The file name is going to be this, 2bus 2021, my name and my name, and then it's going to return it as a data list, which in line of which the file is. Now here we have the function of try. Now the function try is to try and open the file, but if the file is not found, it's going to throw into the exception function, which is going to show an exception file is not founded. But if a file is successfully read and find, it is going to open the file and return each line from the text of the file. Now down here we have the function of a line, the function of a process. In here we are going to cast the file from list to list. In above we are going casting the file from string using type hint to a list, and in this function we are going to read all the text data to each file data into the dictionary, and each item is stored into a list, which means the parameter lines is a list, the data sorts of in a row vertically, rows horizontally. Then it's going to be a data list that are in array, which is vertically. Now the item will be stored in the form of a dictionary. Now in the data here is for the declaration of the list variable. We have a loop which is for inline lines, a loop through each line of text, and we have split line into white space, and we have save each item as a dictionary. Now we have the function of an index. An index is, in this index we are going to convert from list to string again. Now this function is to get from total grades they are getting. The total grades is calculated by percentage, which is 10, 20, 25, 25 and 40% of the total value obtained grades value from of the characters or the student they are getting. The parameter value is a list, and which we are going to convert it into the weight. We are going to return it as a string. Now here is the code to calculate the score, and this is to grade based on the score value that they get. If they get above 80, they will get 8. If they get above 70, they will get A, B. If they get above 65, they will get B. 60 will be BC, 50 and will be C, and so on. Now this we have, and then after index we have report function. Now this function will be to display student reports from data passed through all the parameters. The parameters is data is going to be list, the title is going to be a string. And the last one we have main. Now main is the whole body of the structure. We are going to sort and filter all the data here, and then after that we are going to call the file with an if name main file. Now here we are going to call the main function here after calculating all, and it will be printed like so. Now as we can see here, this is the whole of student score, although, and this is this is grade from the highest to the lowest, and this is going to be the data that are for the top students, which is going to be A and A, B. Same as above, it is sorted. Now that is all I can tell you and all I can show you. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.